That might cut out.
I'll check it.
That's looking great, man.
Little test.
Looking good.
Fellow puppeteers.
That's right. You think it's cool if I bark the whole time, or not? Maybe just.
Oh, what's he doing?
Yeah, look behind.
Whoa! Look at all these kids! Where'd y'all come from? There's a lot of people out there. Standing room only. Is there anyone on the roof? Anyone getting lowered down by ropes? Anyone coming out of the ground? Oh boy! Well, hello, kids. Have you seen the dinosaur anywhere? I lost my friend Gilbert. I wanted to take him on a ride on the dinosaur train, but it leaves in only 5 minutes. We'll bring out everybody's favorite banjo player. Let's give it up for Darren Clark!
Hey! Hello, kids! How's it going? Oh, look, these two guys down here. Hey, oh, you look yummy. Can I have a lick of you?
Ooh, go for the Allosaurus.
Ah, I heard Hey! Hey, it's Grover!
Yeah!
Hi, Grover!
Hey, everybody!
Are you guys ready for the best show of your life?
Yeah.
I can't hear you!
Yeah.
I can't hear you! Woo! So, what are we gonna sing?
Are you guys ready to sing?
Yeah!
All right, here we go. La 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 la. 1, 2, 3. Sausage.
I'm working on the railroad all the live long day. I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away. As you hear the whistle blowing, rise up so early in the morning. As you hear the whistle shouting, Dinah, blow your horn. Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Someone in the kitchen with Dinah. Someone in the kitchen I know. Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. Strumming on the old banjo. TV, fine for the I-O. Big fine for the I-O. Big fine for the I-O.
Hey, buddy. How's it going? Yeah, it's going pretty good, but I think I ate too many cupcakes last night, and I feel woozy. Yeah, I'm feeling a little off, too. Last night I stayed in the tub too long. My fingers got all pruny.
Oh, that's
That's the worst thing. Whoa! Whoa! What is that? What's going on around this town? Oh. I don't know for sure. But I did hear my mom and dad say that Old Smoky has been steaming lately. Old Smoky. Old Smoky? Who's that? Some big old diplodocus?
It's just the roof.
No, I think that is called the volcano. Whoa! Well, I know it's big and loud, and I don't really know what a volcano is.
That's kind of scary thing.
Let's go ask the conductor on. Excuse me. Let's go ask the conductor on the Dinosaur Train. Dinosaur Train. Dinosaur Train. I'm sorry. I didn't turn it on.
Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Me again. It's the conductor. Hi, kids. Is everybody having fun? Oh, hi, Tiny and Buddy.
Hi, Mr. Conductor.
Well, boys and girls, it looks like old Smoky, our local volcano, is getting ready to blow again.
Mr. Conductor, what's a volcano? Yeah, I was wondering that too.
Well, I'm glad you asked. A volcano is an opening, like your mouth, in the earth which allows hot magma, volcanic ash, and gases to burst forth from below the surface, deep under the Earth's surface, and it's so hot it emits, are you ready for this? Rocks. That hot melted rock gets pushed up until it, here's a new word for you kids, erupts.
Whoa! Do you think that will happen to Old Smoky?
No, it's the roof.
Do you think it could happen, kids?
Yeah!
Well, it sure could happen, and Old Smoky's been steaming a lot lately, and steam always comes before an eruption.
Hey, let's go see!
Okay, everybody, all aboard the Dinosaur Train.
Oh,
Kids, I think the train is broken.
It sounded like there was busted rotator mechanism. Oh no, what are we gonna do?
There's a blue train in the school.
Did somebody say broken train?
Woo! Hey, it's little old Blue from last year's puppet show.
What seems to be the problem?
Probably, I heard some kind of a pin snap.
Well, must be a broken rotator mechanism. Hitch to me and let's go see the volcano.
Okay, everybody, all aboard again. Okay, everybody, all aboard again. Okay, who wants a snack?
Oh, I do! If I could wish for just one dish, my greatest wish would be more fish!
Which kid has some fish?
Fish!
What sort of food do you think Buddy likes? Plants?
Oh, yum, yum, yum!
Who has some plants? See if Buddy likes it.
Does anybody have a plant? Can I please have this plant? Let me try it. Plants are not for me. Plants are for herbivores, and I'm a carnivore. And does anyone have any meat?
Meat?
Thank you.
Where's the beef?
Thank you, Wyatt.
Now arriving at Volcano Valley Station. Thanks, Old Blue, for helping us out. Just walk up to the lookout to see Old Smoky, kids.
Hey! Can I see the volcano too?
Who are you? And what's on top of your head?
This here is Gilbert. He's a paraesophagus, and he has a cranial crest like lots of other dinosaurs.
I love my cranial crest.
Okay, please listen for a minute. I have a hypothesis.
What's a hypothesis?
Well, do
Do any of you kids know what a hypothesis is?
Anyone know? It's an idea you can test. What?
I did a show about dinosaur thing, and Buddy had hypothesis.
That is a very smart thing you said. It is. Listen to my hypothesis. My hypothesis is that your cranial crest is making noise and scaring off all the predators. But how do I test it? You could ask him to make a toot.
Ooh.
I have
I'll make a toot.
Hold your breath.
Ready? Here goes.
Your cranial crest is amazing.
Actually, buddy, that sound came from the volcano! She's getting ready to blow!
What was that? What's gonna happen? I'm getting scared of that sound. What do you think the volcano is?
I've heard that sound before. It's getting ready to blow, and when it blows, it can send stuff all out in front of the kids. It could fall on their heads.
It's gonna be fun.
Hang on. This is going to be good.
Well, while we're waiting,
Let's all go.
do you know I am 1 million years old? How many 2 years old here? Raise your hand if you're 2. Oh, one of these 2? Who's this 2? Who's 3 years old? Raise your hand if you're 3 years old. You are? You are? If you're 4 years old, raise your hand. Oh, you're 4 years old? You're not as old as me. If you're 3 and it's your birthday, raise your hand. Okay. Is anybody 1 million years old? I am.
I think the volcano's coming.
Oh,
Look
the
aside.
volcano?
Here comes
A
the
real
volcano.
I'm getting a little bit concerned. I think it's ready to blow.
It's gonna blow.
Here comes Holly with the volcano. Whoa, stand back. Don't go up there. It might be a fun thing.
Alright, can you do this? Move it, bro.
Okay. You might want to. Can I see it? Can you see the volcano? This is a volcano. Do you think it's going to erupt, guys?
Yeah. This way a little bit? That way?
Yeah, shoot up. This high?
Oh my gosh. Can you smell?
This high?
I think I got it.
Okay.
You think it's going to hit the tree? Scarlet? We'll see. Scarlet. Okay. We might have to do it twice. Okay. No pressure. No pressure. Are you going to do it again?
Do it again.
Do you want to move over here? That one was really good. That one is a tree.
Asher! Look at the volcano!
I have a whole roll of
Look at the volcano!
You gonna get us?
Gabriella!